boys and girls. Welcome to today's lesson on 4-7. I'm going to take my video off here in just a moment and get my computer to work. All right. We are going to be using unit rates. Our statement for today is I can solve unit rate problems, including unit pricing and constant speed. All right. So this is going to be a little bit more complicated today because we're going to be taking a unit and finding a unit rate and comparing it to another rate. Here's our problem today. Marcia makes bracelets to solve at craft fairs. She sold 14 bracelets for $154. How much could she expect to earn if she sells 25 bracelets? Okay, so first of all, we're going to start by writing our step one is to write an equivalent ratio. It's right here. Money over bracelets. So it's money usually goes on top. Usually, not always, but usually. To 14 bracelets. I need an equivalent ratio for 25 bracelets. I don't know how much money it is yet for 25, but I know that 14 is 154. But here's the problem. Okay, yesterday we just found unit rates. This time we're going to use that unit rate to help us solve another rate problem. Okay, 14 does not evenly multiply out to 25. So here's what we have to do. We're going to have to take this rate right here. This is not a unit rate, it's a rate. And we're going to find the unit rate. Step 2 says since 25 is not a multiple of 14, we're going to use the known ratio to find the unit rate. Okay, so we're going to start in step 2 by taking 154, like we learned yesterday, and we're going to take 154 and we're going to divide that by 14. All right, goes in there one time. That's 14. Subtract 1, bring down the 4. All right, it's supposed to be a 4. All right, goes in one time. Now that's 14. That works itself out. So I have an 11 up here, correct? That means that 154 over 14 is equal to 11 to 1. All right, this is my unit rate. Okay, I now found the unit rate. Are you following me so far? Okay, unit rate is 11 to 1. Now, step 3 says we're going to write an equivalent ratio by multiplying the unit rate's numerator and denominator by the same value. Okay? All right, so let me show you it this way. Let's take that 11 over 1, and now let's make that equal to something over 25. Correct? Okay, now this is easy because any number times 1 is itself. So if I take 1 times 25, then I get 25. The rule is still the same, exactly the same. Whatever I do to the bottom of a fraction, I have to do to the top. So I'm going to take 11 times 25. Okay, so just real quickly over here, I'm going to put the 25 on top times 11. I have to go quickly. Okay, that's 275. I know you didn't see that over the side, but I'm afraid I'm going to run out of time. All right, so that means now that 25 bracelets will cost $275. Okay, so on step 4, it says since the numerators are equal, since the denominators are equal, the numerators are also equal. So that's where we have this. Okay. So now I know that 154 over 14 is the same as 275, sorry to write, 275 over 25. They are actually equivalent ratios or equivalent rates. All right, boys and girls, I hope you got this. Happy math.